How to export trade history on Binance Wallet 2024. To export your Binance Wallet's trade history, simply open up the Binance application. In the navigation bar, you can simply click on the wallet icon, which could be this portfolio or this wallet icon right here. Now from here, you can simply select transaction history from the drop down menu if you have any of those. From there, in the top right corner, you can click on the export icon, which you'll be able to find right over here, right? So here you can see all the history and stuff, and right over there you'll also be able to see the export button if you have it. In my case, I don't have it, so all you're seeing is only this. Now you can choose the time frame for your transaction history. Right over here you can see filter and so on, and once done you'll be able to make sure all is selected under account and coin, and then just select the export option. The trade history will be automatically downloaded to your phone or computer in Excel format. You can download up to a year's trading history, and if you want to include the latest transactions, you can download the CSV file each time. If the file is in a tar, you can unzip it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.